Everybody.
Hi everybody.
Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Hey, so we wanted to start video logging our journey right now during this time in our country. We live in Washington State, and our governor just told us last night that we have to self-quarantine and we're shelter in place. We are legally obligated to stay at home. And so we wanted to start journaling this with a video log.
And we're calling it the Quarantined Gardeners.
Yep.
And this is day one. So welcome.
Yep. Yeah, welcome, day one.
And we just wanted to connect with you and talk to you because we're all in this together. And
why we're really doing this, why we wanted to video log this, is we wanted to show you what we're doing to stay focused, stay positive, stay busy, and just get through this day by day. We're gonna do a video log every day to let you know what we're doing, how we're dealing with things through the day, into the night, you know, just how we're getting through this. So we wanted to show you this so we can help you through this too. And you can let us know what you're doing.
So, like Sean said, we've already been self-quarantining for about, I think we're on day 10 right now.
Yeah.
So we're kind of ahead of the curve a little bit in Washington, but the problem here is a lot of people aren't staying home. It's prolonging this virus and making it rampant in our community. If you live in California and New York right now, you know exactly what we're going through because you guys are shelter in place right now too,
yep.
I believe, right?
Yep, they are. Yep, you guys totally are.
Yeah. So what that means is we're legally obligated to stay home. Only essential, critical employees are able to be out of their house basically right now.
Yep, that's first responders, that's police, firemen, healthcare people, even food and gas and even waste, you know.
Anybody on the front lines, right?
Yep.
So everybody else is supposed to stay home. We're really hoping that they follow this because...
Yep, we hope everybody just jumps on the bandwagon so we can get over this and through this and move on.
Because we will get through this.
Yep, we're going to move through this.
But everybody needs to participate.
Yep.
Really, and like Sean said, we just want to document the way we're getting through this and in the hope that it would, maybe it's going to inspire some other people, or maybe we can create a community around this.
We want to make sure that we're doing this to help you, and you can help other people. You can help those around you, whether virtually or in person, but with social distancing. But help each other. Reach out, phone calls, text messages, Instagram messaging, anything and everything that you can do to help one another. And this is our way of doing the same thing for you.
And you guys, check in with your neighbors. We have, I'm going to say it quietly because I think they're outside, but we have elderly, wonderful, amazing neighbors next door. And they shouldn't be out. And we offered right away. We're like, guys, let us order for you. We've been doing a lot of online food deliveries and whatnot.
You can kind of hear them right now.
They're so cute. But they finally took us up on the offer yesterday, and they said, we want help. We need your help. So we just were like, yes. So we were happy to be able to do that. And we've been buying food for our parents and, you know, just keeping everybody home.
So they don't have to be exposed to anything. And they don't have to risk their lives, because they're at higher risk. They're over 80 years old, both of them. And so we want to make sure that they're okay.
Yeah, totally. But let's talk about the fun stuff. This is what we want to show you over the next, 14, 15 or more days. We don't know how long.
We don't know how long this is going to go.
We just thought it'd be fun for us and also kind of therapy for us, but also, again, maybe it'll connect with some of you.
Yeah, therapy for you too.
Yeah, exactly. Let's talk about what we are going to do.
Okay.
What's our plan?
So our plan is to come to you every day and tell you and talk to you about what we're doing on a daily basis to get through this. We're going to talk about our daily routines. We're going to talk about our projects out in the garden. We're going to talk about what we do, what we take breaks, are we exercising, what books we might be reading, what games we might be playing, and what we do at night, you know, to take our focus off everything going on around us that's so crazy right now. And we want to tell you about all that so it can help you, and then you can tell us what you do.
Oh, and we can't forget today, actually, we just launched a little challenge on Instagram, on our Instagram page at Spoken Garden. We'd love for you to join if you're interested, because basically we wanted to just do something positive. And this challenge actually led us into this YouTube journal series that we're presenting right now. But so over on Instagram, we're running a 7-day garden fun challenge, and we're just throwing out just little tasks to do every day, and they have to photograph it and use the hashtag 7-day garden fun. So that's one way right now, starting today, that we are trying to contribute and promote more positivity right now.
Yep. So you can go to our Instagram account, type in Spoken Garden, or you can find our challenge at hashtag 7-day garden fun. and start the challenge. Go for it. See what you can do. We have daily videos going out with each new challenge in the morning, and you can be a part of that. So go try it out. It's fun.
And don't feel like you have to be a pro gardener to join this up. We just want to like get people outside and encourage them to have fun and just like gardening is such therapy. And this hashtag going around right now is another inspiration for us. Gardening is not canceled.
Nope, it's not, people.
Because it's not. Even our governor said, go out and garden on the state address last night. So that was kind of cool.
Yep, it was. So everybody, that's all we wanted to tell you about today for our journal and what we're going to start doing. But you know what? Comment below and let us know how long you've been quarantined or self-quarantined or shelter in place and what you've been up to, what you've been doing to stay busy and stay positive.
What gardening projects do you have going on right now? Are you planting seeds? What are you doing?
Yeah, let us know, okay? Oh, and also make sure to hit that thumbs up to let us know you like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can get more updates and tomorrow's video log.
Yep, Quarantine Gardeners Day 2 coming up tomorrow.
Coming up tomorrow, everybody, so stay tuned.
Have a great day. Bye, everybody.
Have a great day. Bye.